RoadShark RV comfortably sleeps 6 people. We're going to do a short overview on the sleeping quarters in each RV. Back here is our master space. The backrests come up and down for your convenience. Up here we have all linens, pillowcases, and blankets for each bed. We typically try to include a lightweight and a heavyweight blanket depending on the conditions. This center bed is convertible. The tabletop gently slides off. This post comes out. Now just a tip, there is a thinner side and a thicker side, so make sure that the thinner side is the one that you are inserting into the base. The tabletop slides into the frame. The side cushions come off and fit perfectly onto the tabletop. Each bed is equipped with a strap that keeps these two pillows together, just in case there's any sliding at night. And this just buckles onto the other side. Typically we don't have problems, but if you have children that kind of wiggle in their sleep, this will really help. These also pop up in case you need a little bit extra room. There's one on each side. And again, the linens that we provide fit perfectly over this bed. Our third bed is up top. Up top, we have our overhead sleeping compartment that comfortably sleeps too. The bed folds down and then back up for ease. We also have blackout shades that completely encompass all windows in the front, so that's nice for sleeping. Each RV comes equipped with a bumper in case you have little ones that are sleeping up here. Basically, it's a non-skid bumper. The sheets go over it, so it can't slide. So this bumper is stored underneath the dinette, so you just have to inflate it. So that's our overview of the sleeping quarters.